You don't have to research alone. The library offers expert consultations with research librarians who are available to help you excel at your research project. To find a consultation with an available librarian, you'll want to navigate to the library's homepage. From here, you'll find on the left-hand menu under Take Action, Ask a Librarian. Ask a Librarian page has multiple avenues for contacting the library or asking for help. You can call, you can visit our research assistance desk, you can email us, you can even text us, or you can chat with us. But if you want more in-depth help, you can set up a research consultation. The link is available at the top of the page on the left-hand menu or underneath our chat hours. To set up an appointment, what you'll want to do first is select a location. You can choose the Health Sciences Library, the Lambeth Campus Library, the McWhorter Main Library, the Music Library, or set up an online appointment. Here, you will select your option. If you would like a one-on-one tour, a 30-minute research appointment, or a 1-hour research appointment for more in-depth assistance. You can select a librarian that you choose to work with. You can find out more about each of these librarians by clicking on the info button next to their names. Or you can say you have no preference. Select a date and a time that works for you. Fill out the form and confirm your appointment. Once your appointment is confirmed, you are automatically set up on a librarian's calendar. They will meet with you and discuss with you any of your personal research needs. We hope to see you soon.